Hello and welcome to Community Chats. I'm Ali Hammer, and today we're joined with Jarrett Baker, the Technical Operations Manager from Ipsy. Jarrett, welcome to the show. Can you start by telling our audience a little bit about Ipsy?
Thanks for having me, Ali. So here at Ipsy, we specialize in card payment technology. Historically, that's meant our business and services focus on educating and supporting corporate and large businesses, specifically with regards to card data security, compliance needs, such as PCI DSS, whilst providing tools, services, and applications to meet the customer's expectations, business, and technical requirements. Our services have been designed to support card processing across numerous channels, including standard website processing, back office processing, and call center agent-supported phone-based processing, regardless of the bank or acquirer they may be with. Our approach to consultation and partnership in this space has seen us work with the likes of Latitude Financial Services, the Australian Taxation Office, BHP Billiton, and more in the last 15 years.
Wow, it's really incredible to hear how Ipsy has achieved such huge growth despite having to deal with COVID over the last 2 years. And Jarrett, on this topic, how have you been able to achieve this growth, and how has AWS actually helped along the way?
Very good question. So COVID's definitely been difficult for us over the last 2 years from a logistical perspective, particularly for our customers, and a compliance perspective with the ever-changing environment of working conditions. With these changes happening in the world, we have seen a large number of businesses pivot more strongly towards online payments, whilst looking for ways to enable their staff to work from home whilst remaining PCI DSS compliant. This has created a high demand for compliance services for processing credit card payments across numerous channels, especially in the IVR and agent phone services space, where interpersonal interaction is still continually available in our socially distanced world. Fortunately for Ipsy, as our application was designed for the cloud first, AWS has enabled us to effectively scale and accommodate this influx in demand and enable our customers to provide more personable user experiences to their consumers during these times.
Well, I'm so glad you've been able to accommodate the influx in demand and give your customers a much more personal experience during these really challenging times. And Jarrett, you've already actually touched on this a little bit, but can you give me a specific example of how moving to the cloud has benefited both your customers and also your business?
Absolutely. So being cloud native, Ipsy has been able to quickly and efficiently provision new dedicated sets of infrastructure for our customers while quickly scaling them up and down as customer demand changes. This has enabled us to respond quickly to events such as the recent avalanches and natural disasters in Western Australia, which saw phone line demand increase twofold over the normal, without any noticeable impact to critical payment transactions or dips in call quality within our infrastructure.
Wow, I wasn't expecting you to mention the avalanche natural disasters in Western Australia, but that's such a great example. Thank you for sharing. And Jarrett, Ipsy is servicing highly regulated industries. So what I want to know is, what are some of the key benefits that customers should know when they're engaging with Ipsy?
So when engaging with Ipsy, customers can be sure that they're engaging with a fully compliant and scalable platform that is designed to grow as they grow. And in addition to this, we offer a one-stop shop service model, which offers multiple payment channels, multiple bank connectivity, further enabled by our cloud-first designs and our approach to implementing new features, where we strive to provide customers with new insights, payment options, and methods without the need to implement or continually upgrade integrations with our services. Customers can be assured when engaging with us that their payments and consumer data is safe, secure, and in scalable hands.
Thanks for sharing, because honestly, I really feel that consumers are needing that reassurance lately that their payments and their data is secure and in good hands, and especially with all the online fraud that's going on at the moment. So lastly, what's next for Ipsy? Are there any future growth areas that you guys are focusing on, or what can we expect to see?
At the moment, considering our socially distant world, we are focusing on improving our phone payment channel by adding more features and offerings to enable businesses of all sizes to implement compliant telephony services with ease within their business. In addition to this, we're also working to curate our platform services and features to address a small and medium business market and enable these businesses to leverage the technology and approaches that we here at Ipsy have developed successfully for enterprises in the last 15 years for the smaller and medium consumer and business markets, effectively enabling mid-sized businesses to enjoy that enterprise level capability set at a lower cost.
Jarrett, thank you so much for coming on the show today. If anyone has any questions about Ipsy or what you guys are doing, please pop them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you. Thank you so much.